Hey guys, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can actually go ahead and make your Squarespace website public. Now, this video, guys, is going to show you how you can actually go ahead and make your website public. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into it. So basically, right here, we are currently on the Squarespace website editor, and what you're going to want to go ahead and do is you're going to want to head over to the settings on the left hand of your screen. Now go ahead and click settings, and at the top right here of the settings page, you guys should see the site availability. Now you can see that our website is currently on private right now, so go ahead and click on site availability, and from site availability you're going to want to go ahead and make it public. But you cannot actually make it public without upgrading to publish, guys. So basically what you're going to want to go ahead and do is basically Squarespace is going to want you to pick a plan, guys. So basically you can go ahead and pay annually, and you guys can see the deals right here, some of the perks of having some of these deals. So basically that's annually, and then you guys can see that there's also, you know, monthly perks and stuff. So you're gonna want to go ahead and pick a plan, and from there proceed throughout the payment, and then basically you're gonna get the option to actually make your website public once you have completed the plan transaction. So that's pretty much how you go ahead and make your Squarespace website public, guys. Unfortunately, as of right now, I can't seem to find a loophole without paying. So pretty much that's it for the video, guys. If you guys enjoyed the video and found it helpful, make sure you guys have left a like on the video and subscribe, guys, because I'm going to be uploading more videos on this channel regarding how-to videos. But with that being said, I'll see you guys for the next video.